I don't even want to know to Ugupi. What I want from her, it's only money.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Hitani I Fix, I Destroy, I Neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas. Jams,
Hello,
we're not here to play games today.
You want us to play games?
We're not here to play games today. What kind of games would we play?
One-on-one games.
You are Amanda Ministers. Hi guys.
Hello.
How are you? We good. Listen, we go around asking couples questions, right? Basically a couples quiz. Would you guys be willing to play? It's fine. And you, sir? Can I sit in between you guys, okay?
I can see it.
Thank you. Okay, name? Sorry, Scott. Name?
No problem.
Your name?
Tepiso.
Tsebiso and?
Sposiso.
Sposiso, how long have you been with Tsebi?
6 months.
6 months?
Yes.
Still going strong?
Yes. But not sure.
Aibo. Meaning?
Sometimes uyangijolela nje.
Uyamjalela Tsebiso.
Hunamanga.
How?
Why is he saying that?
I don't know, cause yena lagi mina ngimthatha as umuntu wami, angimjoleli. Uhlezi laza kimi, mafuna yonke into ngiyamwenzela.
Yeah.
Yeah, like yena, he's my Ben 10.
Oh. So are you not the one that's cheating then? Uyakujolela yena, akujolela?
Ngiyasuspecta ngoba sometimes ukuthi mangimfonela akabambi phone, thatha isikhathi sakhe.
What's happening?
Ngisuke ngihleli nje nabana abangani bami nje sihlalele ukuthi mhlawumbe ifona ke yansi kanjani yabona. Nanokuthi uyangisola before. Bengibasola inamba before kanti usisi wami.
Okay. Was it his sister nyan?
No.
Was it proof of that?
Yena usisi, but ngoba iproof anginayo nga-admita nje phela.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what if there's no possibility that you're giving him money and then he's spending it with his little girlfriend?
I guess so. Cause ngiyamnikeza imali, ayikho into eshoda impahla ngiyamthengela. Zonke izinto udla mina ugqoka mina ugeza mina nala hlala khona i-rent ibhadalwa yimi.
So when una girlfriend, una sugar mama and a girlfriend?
Yeah, ngimesimazi ngithazinyani. Yeah.
Umtshayela kabi serious.
Why didn't you tell her that and you're telling me that? It's a stranger.
I know because ngoba ungibambile ngoba ukwangibamba.
Before. So it wasn't a sister.
It was ngangithi mina ngiyisevena mawuthi sisi wami.
Okay.
So yena wayifonela inamba. Wafonela uthi ubando. Ngamtshela ngathi usisi wami from ekhaya. Umusisi wami athenzana from ekhaya. Umuntu akona wakhuluma fonela. Wathi hayi lo wakhuluma fonini athini. Wathi cha siyathandana lo muntu.
Hey, okay.
Manje mase ke into yakona ngangakwazi nami ukuthi ngiphiye ngami ngezinye indlela kahle. So ngazama ukuxolisa ikhona lutho namanje asixolelene kahle nje.
Hey, so there's tension in the relationship.
Enkulu tension yakhona.
Okay. You know what? Why don't we confirm if he's really cheating? What I basically do, I make couples switch phones, right?
Okay.
You guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps.
Mina nginankinga ngefoni yami.
Okay.
Unless yena.
Agafuni. Huti?
Yeah.
Are you scared she's gonna find your sister? Why not? I just need you to show her your phone.
Okay. I'll show him, I'll open for him the password. And then I'll give him.
Huh?
I'll open it.
Okay. Sicela phone, my scat. Let's start with
Mine?
yours, ne? Can you just open it for me? Can I have that, please? Samzi. Okay. All right. Please go to her WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Search.
I am 100% sure. Nothing you'll
100%?
get.
Okay. We'll see, girl. Type love you, ne?
I'll send me this one.
Okay. Okay. Delete that. Type miss you. Okay. Delete that. Type ngiyabonga. Let's see who she's doing favors or who's doing her favors. Nothing dodgy, ne? Okay, delete. Type outside. Clean.
This key.
Yeah, I said delete. Type babe. Babe or baby. Oh, or babe. Just type babe. Nothing. Okay, delete. Type Epsugu. Oh, I said nothing.
Nothing.
Delete. Type last night.
Just wasting your time by
There's
typing,
nothing.
typing a lot of
There's
things.
nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, delete. Type pregnant.
Nothing.
Yeah, I said
What did
delete.
achieve?
Delete.
Type
did it
test.
What did it achieve?
You don't trust her, you don't
Yes.
think?
Oh yes, what will cheat?
Like really? Ungithatha kanjani untsiyabe amara?
Oh, nothing. Sana. Delete. Type morning after pour.
No, nothing.
Take your
Ah,
phone,
but-
girl. Thank you,
100%
Tsebi.
clean.
Clean.
100%.
Oh, Lamzi. Passcode, password. What else? Pattern. Okay, Tsebi, I'm scared on your behalf, Yazin.
Sabona khona ukuthi sithola ntoni.
Okay. Type love you. Are you on? Oh, okay. Okay.
Pinky. And me.
Pinky.
Yes.
Go into the chat. Ka Pinky.
Okay.
Ooh, somebody's in the
Wow. Imisole ngibona la.
apha. Ithi into yakho.
I miss you, baby. I miss you too. Siphi lesipanga sakho. Wow, she's calling me ispanga. Athi uyaphendula
Hey.
yena. Akekho kwamanje. I don't know ukuthi ukuphi. I don't even wanna know ukuthi ukuphi. What I want from her it's only money. Like really, Sbu?
Ngiyaxolisa ma.
You sorry for what?
Ngiyaxolisa.
You sorry for what?
After yonke into engikuyenzela yona. Ke thank you umphang yona.
Ngixolisa ma.
Oh, Pinky, what is Pinky to you?
Mpheki abanye asimthole. Just nje umuntu engizana naye kwakukuthi uye kade.
Samini, can I please have the phone? I have the phone. Oh.
I don't trust me anymore.
Let's call Pinky my scatter, eh?
Yes, dear.
And just confirm. My goodness. Oh, Pinky, is it your girlfriend or also another sugar mama?
My girlfriend.
Is she your age?
Long time.
Long time.
Long time.
Oh, kahle iqiniso isipanga yimi vele.
Oh, hi, son.
Bengiyetshela ukuthi iyanto ngezibhela ukuthi ngempilisi vele.
Hi, can I please speak to Pinky? Hello?
Yebo, njani?
I'm good, how are you?
Ngiyaphila.
Hi Pinky.
Yebo, njani?
Ngiyaphila. Wamazi uSibu?
Yebo, ngiyamazi.
Umazela phi?
I-boyfriend yami.
I-boyfriend yakho. Waze waba nesibindi sisi i-boyfriend yakho. Ninesikhathi esingakanani nijona?
Sina 2 years.
2 years. Ukhe wakutshela ukuthi unomfazi?
Cha, akazange.
Sibu, iqiniso i-2 years.
Umamele iqiniso. Iqiniso lo.
Iqiniso.
Iqiniso.
Keke bani le phone yakho le phone.
Ngicela ungenzele i-favor ungasamfonele. Ungasayenzi lutho, delete inamba yakhe nje kuphela.
Qala yena uyafunani? Sihlukane.
Ngiyafuna nihlukane Sibo.
Hayi, ahlukane mama ngoba wesixabanisa.
Uvila kaPinky?
Wesibu.
Yep.
Uthini?
Ahlukane uyabona mina senofazi wami endlini manje yabona-ke manje izinto zami manje yabona uyena lo umuntu ongezazi zonke into lezi endlini.
Yo.
Ukusho ukuthi mina ubudlala ngami for 2 years.
Ngase ngasho ukuthi we mama kade nje ngithola nawe esayidini buyisajik kahle kahle ngomthetho.
Is this thing bye? Bye Pinky mkhwapheni. Okay, switch it off squat yexolo man. Hi
Uthi
ke.
kwamanje ithi wena ulimele isandla. Ulimele kuphi? Ulimazwe uPinky or i-boyfriend yakaPinky?
Ngibale ebholeni athi nje
Ayikho into enjalo.
Ngathi sebholeni athi ngilimala nje kahle kahle. Ngoba ngilimala ebholeni nje ngathi
Ngamthola ucoach ngimbuza ukuthi vele ulimele ebholeni.
Yeah.
Siza endlini yakhe late.
Guys, I'm gonna leave you ne. You're gonna stay with your man so uthi umakhwapheni uzomdelete. Uhlukane nohlukana naye. Yebo. So my scout, I'm sorry. Have a nice day. My job is done here. Dlamzi, let's go. Hey, Dlamini. Hi, Nini. Hi, I'm not scared. I'm not a scary person. Why did they run away from me? Dlamini, that nigga was...
You look. You see these ducks are black, so when they are white. So when they see another color that they are not used to, they run away.
I'm tired of you.
What? So
I was saying, let's talk about the actual episode and leave me out of this. The guy is securing his bag. He's protecting his bag. It's not that he loves her. Sorry, loves.
If you are the one who was in the same position, we're gonna do the same thing. Secure the bag.
I would never be in that position.
Sengiyasho nje.
Oh.
Angifuni izivula idebate ngalento ngoba sizoya kude. Sengiyasho nje ukuthi nami if benguyena vele.
You're gonna protect your bag.
Make sure the bag is secure.
This is why if you like imali, just date someone on imali. Ungabu cheat. Udate umuntu broke ngabu then cheat nomuntu onemali. Just date umuntu onemali.
And when we are a good example.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why you. Oh, that's why I said it's gonna go far. You wanted to judge me first.
I'm not judging. I'm saying this is a fact.
Just
That is a
what?
When you are, ungathi,
Dlamini, what are you doing?
Lili bona lento bona isizibe bomvu ibomvu bona.
So
It's even red now. Uyabona ukuthi wena ikhala yakhe njani? You are out there, you are white.
I'm out there.
So if there's another thing of another color, eating isus.
It's so.
It doesn't look good on you. Ngathi love bite. Ngathi, I'm not saying it love bite, but I'm saying it looks like a love bite. Sasa bese kuthi Dlamini doesn't care about Lisa. Kodwa bona izinto engizenzayo. Lo muntu ubuye endlini ngaleso sikhathi. Uthe mawuphuma endlini wena uma iphuma endlini wena uthini umbone nje.
Ndiphuma ndenza nje endlini uthanda namali.
Yabo at least Lisa, I'm a blessing in your life. You have to thank God to have me in your life. Uthi uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga for bringing this handsome and genius gent in my life. Yeah, without me you are nothing.
Okay, Sabini.
Yabo sengisizile manje.
Thank you, Lance.
So akuna bra la ngaphansi?
There is a bra.
Oh, ikuphi?
Let's wrap up.
Hey man, oh Lisa ikuphi bra?
I'm wearing a bra.
Iphi? Iphi?
That's it.
Iphi bra Lisa? Okay, uthi siyibone mina nguThomas ngumakhola ngokubona ithi siyibone.
Yeah.
Iphi?
Nancy. Don't you see?
Ibra leyo?
Yes.
This thing doesn't look like a bra. Ngathi bandage.
It's a bra.
Looks like a bandage.
It's a bra.
Let me see. Yithi ngibo.
No. Famini, I'm so tired of you. You're gonna see my boobs.
No, I'm not gonna look at your poop. I'm not gonna look the poop. I don't care about the poop. I don't like poops. The only thing I want to see is the bra.
No. You'll see it off camera.
I'm not the only one who wants to see the bra though.
Obviously. You'll see it off camera, Shams.
Like zongibonisa ne? You still have a pole dance that you are owing me.
Okay, fine. Let's wrap.
Okay, fine.
All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook.
Hey,
Follow me on Facebook. Follow me
Facebook.
on Facebook.
Lisa Serame.
Damn it.
Hey,
Thank you.
she's been posting. You guys are not liking.
And following.
And following. On Instagram, it's welcome_Dlamini. Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. On TikTok, welcome Dlamini. Tanko siyabonga.
Thank you, guys.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.